So what are these little things called pop sockets? I would say that is like a very useful tool. It's gonna help you to hold your phone in a very easy way to take better selfies, or you can like put your phone on a table and watch a video, and you can like put it in different angles, like this one, and then this one right here is a different angle, and you can watch your video in a comfortable way. And as you can see, it's like very small. It gets very small. It has like 3 levels. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, all the way out. And my experience with this one, it was totally fine. As you can see, I've been in love with it, and I'm gonna throw this away, and I'm gonna switch it with a black one, because like in every store that I went to, they had like different kind of pop sockets, but they all had like flowers or colors and all these cartoons and stuff, and I didn't like them at all. So I went on Amazon and I found just the black one, and this is what I like the most. Simple, it doesn't catch attention, because this one is not too bad, but I don't like it a lot. Like, my case is black and this thing is white, so I don't like it. But yeah, this is how they come. You just gotta open it, and then you stick it to the back of your phone or your case, and then you're ready to roll. You can just like put it on top, put it on the middle, or as you can see, I put it on the bottom, and this is how I like it the most. And the thing is, like, I bought three of these because I'm gonna throw this away because I don't like the color. Still working very well, like very well. And I'm gonna put one of these in this one, and then I'm gonna put this one on the phone where I'm recording this video, and then in the last one I'm just gonna have it as a backup, just because like I cannot replace it really fast if something happens to one of my pop sockets. Like, I have to order this online, because the stores, they only have this. Like, this is like the most serious design that they have, and I wanted something like this, black, you know. Like, I don't want to catch attention. I want something simple, and yeah, that's what it is. That's the pop socket. It's a very useful tool. I recommend it very well. So this is it, and if you wanna support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description. Thank you.